أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. We are continuing our daily series of reciting an ayah a day. So today's ayah is the fourth verse of Suratul Fatiha. This verse has all light letters, and for the completion of the sounds, notice that meme starts off with the mad tabi'i, which is two counts, and the other two counts we have is dal with a kasra and ya. So, and because this is the last word, again, you can do 2, 4, and 6 if you choose to. Just make sure you do it in all. So let's start. Maliki,
Maaliki,
Maliki.
Maaliki,
Some people they make it ma, make it heavy. Make sure you don't make the meme heavy. Meme is a light letter. Maliki,
Maaliki,
yawmid,
Yawmid,
yaw.
Yaw,
So this one is mud lean. Your mouth, it's called lean like the meat lean because it's easy. That's how my teacher explained it. Yo. So you're starting with a fatha and you're coming towards a wow. So your mouth looks literally like yo from a to ow. Yo,
Yaw,
yo,
Yaw,
mid,
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 Yawmid,
deen,
Deen,
deen.
Deen,
So making sure we don't call the letter D. D. Deen is different than Deen. Deen.
Deen,
Very good. Yaw. Okay, let's do the whole thing. Maliki yawmiddin.
Maaliki, Yawmid, Deen,
Maliki yawmiddin.
Maaliki, Yawmid, Deen,
And I need to catch myself, and you can check yourself too. When there's a noon at the end, sometimes the nasal sound comes in the mud also. So make sure you're saying deen as compared to deen. Like don't let any air come from the nose when you're making the e sound after the dal kasraya. Deen.
Deen,
Very good. So last time. Maliki yawmiddin.
Maaliki, Yawmid, Deen.
Very good. So making sure the air is coming out from our mouth for the phrase deen at the end. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.